Hello, today I'm going to show you how to configure jobs in Weeldi to go past a login page protected with two-factor authentication, specifically a 6-digit code that rotates every 30 seconds. My login into Weeldi can actually be configured to require an extra PIN code, and I also have a template that logs into Weeldi and collects some dashboard statistics. So let's first review that template. First, we fill in the login, username and password. Then we fill in a form field using a specially named variable, QR code, and that value is not known in advance. It will be different every time the job runs. Then we click on Submit. We make sure that we are logged in, and finally we collect 4 pieces of text from the dashboard and the navigation. We explicitly wait at each page because we want to watch this job run live during the demo. Otherwise, it will run pretty fast. All right, so let's now review what we need to add a job that will use this template. We will need a username and a password to log in. And we will also need to add the quick response code. I already know my password and my username, so let's go straight to setting up two-factor for my login. So clicking on the two-factor authentication, it's not set up yet. So I click on Configure. And right here, I'm going to scan that code using my phone. I'm choosing the Google Authenticator app. Scan QR code. There we go. And I have a result. Now, this I'm going to be using when I set up my job. So I have 2 ways to memorize this information. I can copy paste the setup key, or I can take a screen snap or take a photo from my phone of this QR code and then save it on my computer to upload later. All right. Now that I have what I need, make sure that I input the result 818374. I'm going to be adding the job. I'm selecting the template. Now I have my username. I have my password and the QR code. I can copy paste the setup key from earlier, or I can simply select the image which I took earlier. The job is now created, and in fact it's already running. So let's have a quick sneak preview of what's going on. You see the job is currently filling in login and password, clicking on sign in, waiting the 5 seconds which we told it to wait. Here's the two-factor authentication page, and the code will be pulled dynamically, fill it in, and now we are past the two-factor login page. Looking at the dashboard, and the job will wait a few seconds more so we can see the preview and collect 6128 on the top of the dashboard. The job is not completed. Let's look at the results. Job is successful. It collected 2 halted, 1 hour automated, 6 successful tasks, and 28 tasks automated. That's it for today. Now you know how to add jobs in Weeldi for websites that use a rotating 6-digit code for two-factor authentication.